The VC800 built-in automatic coffee machine from CDA is the perfect enhancement for any modern kitchen and is designed to bring out the natural barista in you. Why not start your day off with the perfect coffee of your choice? Multiple coffee strand settings are all available at the touch of a button. However you like your coffee, the built-in automatic coffee machine delivers aromatic and flavourful barista-style coffee in an instant. The integrated steam nozzle allows you to quickly create a really frothy and tasty cup of coffee to help set you on your way. The VC800 comes with a whole host of easy-to-use features to provide maximum functionality. Choose between freshly ground coffee beans or pre-ground coffee and treat yourself to a deliciously aromatic coffee drinking experience. The VC800 coffee machine is an exciting and versatile enhancement to your busy lifestyle. Sleek design, optimum performance and built for life. Your life.